Hey folks, this is Patrick here, back again with day 4 of the cryptocurrency Coinpot. It's a micro wallet. Listen, I had a couple phone calls yesterday after I made my video, and one guy who says Coinpot does pay out. There's some rules and regulations if you break that they won't pay you then. Yesterday I had an offer done, and it was called back. It was brought back to my attention that I didn't fill it out properly, which in their terms, they can take your Coinpot away, your account away for breaking the violations. But they didn't take mine away. They just took away my my Bitcoin. So once again, if you really want to learn how to do this, register here. You know, right here, sign in. It says if you're going to register, put your email address, your best email address, which should be your Coinbase account or blockchain email address. Put a good password that you know that nobody can get. Click on I'm not a robot, and then agree to the terms, and then register. So I'm going to sign in. And we had a long talk about Coinpot and what the best strategy is. Why do I keep on doing that? Well, it keeps on happening. So here you go. Yesterday I had 10. I don't look at these 3 zeros. I look at, this was 14250. So I click on Bitcoin. The amount withdrawable is gone. So this is what I got now, because they took it all away. I try to call support and contact. They don't. The support's not the greatest, but who knows if they can get back to me. But he was telling me what he was doing to get money, and I don't know if you're into the new the ICOs that come out, the initial coin offers, but he told me how he puts money into his Coinbase account by not using the Bitcoin. He'll collect Bitcoin and then he'll convert it. So basically what he was telling me to do is to collect all the Bitcoin and then convert it over to Litecoin. So I didn't understand, but he says when you do Dogecoin and Bitcoin and you convert them over to Litecoin, this grows so fast. Folks, I was at, I don't know, this is just a 0.000, I can't remember, like 52. Then I started collecting all the Bitcoin and then transferring it over to Litecoin, and it just went through the roof. So I'm already at 12. I mean, once this gets to 1 point, it's 50, whatever that's trading for, $58, $59. And then what he was doing, he was telling me when he does that, he cashes out Litecoin on Coinbase to his US dollar, and then goes back and buys either Ethereum or Bitcoin, whatever the people accept for the initial coin offers. So I thought he was, like, I don't know, he told me, like, well, listen, he was asking me if I had any money to put into Bitcoin, and I said, no, I'm trying this, for the first time. I want to see if it's legit, I'm not, cryptocurrency, everybody, I see a lot of people making money, but no one shows proof. So they do, or they're flashing money in my on these videos, and it's all confusing. So basically, what I'm going to do is I took his advice, and I'm going to see if Coinpot actually pays out. He said Coinpot does pay out. I said, oh, great. So what I'm going to do, he gave me an initial coin offer that's going to end in 18 days, and so I'm going to take that money after I told him I'm not putting any money in until Litecoin and Coinpot pays me. When it does, I'll take that money, convert it, and I'll purchase the ICOs, which he's telling me is around $2 to $3 a coin. And the minimum they make you buy is 7. You have to buy 7 coins. So I told him I'll buy 10 coins. Well, it can't hurt. It's only $27 to $35, whatever the initial coin offering is. He's telling me that these coins will be $1,000 before January. I say, great. But like any investment, there's always a risk. So I'm going to follow him. Now, guys, if you don't have money, just follow me. Just come aboard. Click the links down below. Join the free Bitcoin faucets and the Moon Doge faucet and the Moon Latoshi faucet. And at least you'll have money in there. So if it works for me, you'll be on your way if you have no money. Like I said, I come to my computer every 2 hours to collect from these sites. You don't have to be there. The computer will run it in the background and it'll collect, and that's it. So I'm going to keep this video short today. I want to thank you for just watching my video. Collect down below the links. Join up. And if you get people to do it, it'll go faster because Bitcoin, Moonbit, gives you 50%. Dogecoin gives you 25%. And Litecoin gives you 25%. If you have 5 to 10 people doing the same thing I'm doing every day, these numbers will be staggering. You probably can collect the Bitcoin. It'd be staggering. But I'm just started promoting, so I don't know. I still don't have any referrals. I want to be honest and upfront with you. But I have somebody who is in this program, and he said he's turned his money into Bitcoin and Litecoin and Ethereum, and now his ICO offers. He said he made over $25,000 in the past 2 months. So down below, join the links. Get started, because the worst thing can happen in a month from now, you're in the same position. That's it. And thank you for stopping by, watching the video, and I'll talk to you soon.